It's good to spend some time with Dr. Stephen Marsh, who always gives us a lift.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate that compliment, Joe.
And besides lifting our spirits, you also do something in cosmetic dentistry called a gum lift. What exactly is a gum lift?
So some people will say they have a gummy smile, or maybe the heights of the tissue over their teeth isn't uniform. So in a very simple case, we can use a laser, and literally like a pen, we can scribe on the tissue the ideal shape that we want.
Oh, wow.
In some cases, if it's a more involved one, we'll actually send the patients to a periodontist and they'll take a surgical approach, but those are on much more difficult cases.
Well, let's shine a spotlight on some of the patients that use this technique.
Okay, so our first patient is Sharon. Sharon's in her 60s. She never liked the color of the teeth and she hated the gummy smile. So we raised the tissue very simply in our office, gave her 10 beautiful porcelain veneers. She was thrilled, and her husband, who sits across from her, really loved it. So our next patient is Cece. She's an actress, and for close-up, she said she never felt comfortable smiling. Same sort of thing. We raised the tissue very simply in our office, did 6 porcelain veneers. She said she's much more comfortable in front of the camera.
What a difference.
So, thank you. So Terry is an actor. He also teaches acting classes, was always self-conscious of the space. So the combination of raising the tissue and then closing the space with bonding in one appointment changed his whole look. And because we were able to raise the tissue, it made them much more proportional. And lastly, Lydia, a college student, had worn her teeth down. They had turned yellow. A lot of gummy smile in her case, if you will. And she did her own before and after. She said it's life-changing. And being in college, it's meant a great deal to her to have a smile she's proud of.
It really is remarkable. Find out what Dr. Marsh and his team can do for your smile. Call 440-461-1003 or log on to the website clevelandsmiles.com.